Where was I? Okay. You're in on this. You're not doing that. You're not going to loosen up that anode rod because you want them to call you back. Because if they don't call you back, what happens? They're going to have to call you back to replace it. Okay? These tanks, there is no reason why these tanks can't last for 30 years. Because they're making them crappy. Yes, a lot of them are standard carbon steel. And it's a lot of them, why aren't you doing something simple? Oh, well, we can't do stainless. Really? Really? What about the stainless steel clad? I mean, is frying pan technology so hard? All you have to do is you can still glass blow the damn thing. Just put stainless steel there in clad form so that you have that anti-corrosion part where the water touches. Okay? And do it over the thread so that then you can go to stainless steel nipples. And by the way, the dielectric bullshit on the nipples and the heat trap, get your goddamn calipers out. 3/4 inch, 5/8, ½ inch. Anybody using PEX, you should be shot. That's the main line. These are kids who are sitting there begging for more bandwidth on their internet. And you want to go out to their neighborhood for their broadband network and just shrink it all down so that every house has to fight for that little bandwidth. Yeah. What you're doing on the entire house to all units that share that load, go to a single faucet and instead of, say, 2 3/8 connections, make one of them a quarter and one 3/8. Make the hot water a quarter. And what's going to happen? When you turn on the water, you're going to have to crank it all the way to hot. Why? Because you're not getting the flow. It's not just about pressure, it's about flow. Anybody who's used an air compressor and a frickin' air ratchet or sander knows damn well you're going to run out of air and you need that CFM, don't you? Yeah. It's the same thing with water, okay? If you don't have the flow, you don't have the pressure, okay? You're cracking down their flow so that guess what? They're cracking it all the way to hot and sure, it's hot. They got the hot water because cold shut off completely, but just a tiny bit opens it up. From 3/4, okay, from 3/4 to 5/8 is a 14-gallon drop. It's about 31, 32 gallons per minute at about 61 psi. And at 61 psi, that 5/8 is about 18 gallons per minute. 32, 18, yeah, about 13, 14 gallons there. That's how much they're losing in flow to all devices on that broadband connection. Yeah, all sinks, all faucets, all toilets, all showers are on that line, aren't they? And you're slowing down the hot water while what? The cold water's got a free and clear shot. And if you're using PEX, oh, that is the newest, latest, moving the goalpost crap scam there is. Okay? I'm going to be getting into the thing on this, but I've talked about the flow problems. And you, oh my God, I just saw this one guy. He had not only PEX, but those damn shark bites right there, right off the water heater. You are now at 1/2. Go look at them. I'm going to get the calipers and I'm going to run down and grab them. And guess what? You've dropped it from 3/4 to 1/2. Damn, I told you I could rant. And I'm going to keep ranting. I'll put out another video and you should check that one out too. If you're one of the DIYers who's sick and tired of these people screwing you, like and subscribe.